Hello, once again, my fifth technology is the Jeopardy Labs. JeopardyLabs.com. It's a very interesting way to have fun with your class. This is a free one also to where you can really do some really interesting things with this. Okay, I used it last semester. We had a class that was really, I wanted to highlight and want to make sure that the big takeaways and exit ticket of sort that the kids really understood the information because it was a global economy block of instruction. So I designed the Jeopardy class in a way that I found information and it worked. The kids really enjoyed it. It became competition of sorts, and I really plan to do it again because they really displayed learning that they were able to retain the information. So here we go. With this one, it's free once again. The easiest way to navigate through it is going to be the Browse tab. Just hit on the Browse. Okay, you can find whatever you want, whatever subject. There's quite a bit that you can choose from. I'm just going to type in weather. Okay, hit on the weather tab. You're going to be able to format your teams, 3 teams, and so on. With this one here, I'm going to continue. Just to let you know that here's my 3 teams at the bottom. Okay, I've already started the process, and what I've learned through this is that you have to be able to go forward and make sure you go through all the tabs and understand what the questions is asked. Just like Jeopardy, they will have to answer the question in the form of a question and be able to display the knowledge. And again, it turns into somewhat of a Jeopardy game. One other thing you want to do is be able to have a plan for timing. Say, for instance, somebody takes more than 5 seconds to answer. You maybe have a whistle or something along those lines, a buzzer that you can kind of let the other teams be able to chime in and see if they can win. So let's give a couple examples of it. Severe weather. This cloud tells you a thunderstorm is on the way. The easiest way to do it is hit the tab. It tells me the cumulus is going to be the cloud below, and go right back up to the escape and go to weather tools, and team 2 got that one. So put a plus, they got $200. Team tools for $400. You feel this when it is hot and there is moisture in the air. Humidity. So humidity is going to be the answer to it. Maybe team 3 picked up that $400. Let's do one more just for giggles. Weather or climate for $800. Most of Somalia and much of the other African countries are this type of climate. Desert or arid. Okay, so here we go. Team 2 will get that one. So it's just letting you know a different opportunity of having some fun. Again, the subjects are wide open, wide array. I really enjoyed doing this last semester. And for the ISTE for this one, I gave it a 2E and a 1B. The 1B being ensure all students have access to technology, connectivity necessary to participate in authentic and engaging learning opportunities, giving them a different opportunity for a resource to have fun, to be able to still learn and grow from it, display critical thinking and critical listening. And lastly, the 2E being share lessons learned, best practices and challenges with the impact of learning. I'm sharing this with my peer students in the class. So appreciate your opportunity to engage in this one, and thank you very much.